Hey everyone, Josh from TOC Supplies, and today we got a cool video for you. And it's basically all about interior detailing or exterior detailing when it comes to crevices and hard to reach areas. Now, some of you might still prefer a large brush on smaller surface areas, but there are these ones right here from the Detail Factory. These are basically the Crevice brush set. Now these are basically for tiny intricate areas where you want a little bit more control. Don't get me wrong, these are good and they get really good coverage area. But if you want to control that nice spot, that one specific area, and you want to really make it all about detailing and you're really intricate with it, this is going to come in handy. So we're going to demonstrate on a few surfaces on my Audi, and we'll take it from there. So with the soft synthetic brush Crevice set right here and PNS Xpress interior, this is going to be perfect for window buttons in case you really want to get intricate with some of the corners and some of the lines right there. So I'm not going to spray the product onto the surface here. I'm actually just going to put one nice gentle spray there. That was actually two, but you know, not too much. As you can see, it's a little dirty around here. We're going to start from one corner and we're just going to start agitating from here. As you can see, the brush is allowing me to get into the tight areas. Now a large brush is going to do that, but what I'm feeling as I'm doing this is more control. I don't have a bulky plastic handle to have to deal with, and it's a smaller kind of unit. Without hitting my brushes everywhere else, it feels more control, more stable, and easier to maneuver. That's the whole purpose of the detailing Crevice brush set from the Detail Factory. So there you go. Let's wipe this off. We have a rag company Edgeless 365. Just gonna wipe that all off there. Get into the corners. Another really cool spot where this really shines, the Crevice brush, is right behind the steering wheel around here, because if I were to use a big brush, I've got the handle hitting here, it's hitting the steering wheel, and it's just everywhere. As you can see, the motion's just a little bit limited. Now there's still ways you can work with this, but it makes it much easier with the Crevice brush set. See, I can move around easily, so one spray right here, boom, and I can easily get into the crevices right here, even right behind to where the leather trim is, right behind there, and my full mobility is not compromised. I can get easier right down there without knocking on any of the plastics. So there you go. We're just gonna wipe that off. Boom, nice and clean. So there you have it. Those are the benefits of owning a Crevice brush. You can get into the small intricate areas, and as you can see from the demonstration, we were able to do a controlled cleaning without hitting any of the steering wheels, hitting any other trim, and I had full range of motion without any obstacles in the way. So the towel that we used was an Edgeless 365 from the rag company, Detail Factory Crevice brush, and we have the PNS Xpress interior cleaner to basically do those jobs. So once again, my name is Josh from TOC Supplies, and make sure you visit our website at TOCSupplies.ca to pick up these products. All right, take it easy.